So do you also want to send automated WhatsApp messages after every purchase with the discount coupon code attached? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send thank you offers on WhatsApp automatically with a discount coupon code so that your customers can repurchase. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. So you can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Razorpay and select Razorpay over here. So this is the application using which I sell my products. So I've selected the same. For the event, let's just select it as payment captured and click on this connect. We're going to receive the webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Razorpay dashboard. Now after opening your Razorpay dashboard, go on this payment section. After you come on this payment section, from the left hand of the side, go on this account and settings. Once you're on this account and settings, you have to look for webhooks over here. So go on this website and app settings and then webhooks. Once you come on this webhooks, click on this add new webhook button. You simply have to paste the webhook URL and enter the secret if you wish to enter any. Now you have to enter the alert email if you want, and then you have to select the active event as payment captured and click on this create webhook button. And now our webhook URL is successfully added right over here. As you can see, over here is our webhook URL which is successfully added. Now what we're going to do is let's just go back towards our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly is still saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we just have to purchase the product. So what you have to do, you just have to copy a payment page, open it in a new tab, and you have to purchase that product. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this digital marketing course, and for that I'm just going to enter all of my details, select the payment method as net banking, select the bank and purchase this course. So I am doing a test mode payment, but you can do a real payment too if you want to create this automation. Otherwise, you can also switch your account in the test mode and complete this payment in test mode, or you can also wait till you receive a real payment in real time. So yes, our payment is successful. So let's just open our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. All the details are exactly the same which we entered during purchase of this course. After this, you have two options. The first option is you can add a filter condition in this workflow, that this workflow should only run in the case of this digital marketing course. For that, you just have to click on this add new action step, select this action as filter, event as filter values, click on this connect. Simply choose a label, filter type and value, and you can add the filter between this workflow. Then what is going to happen is you can simply create this automation for a particular payment page. But I want to create this automation for all my payment pages because this is a generic message which I am just going to send. Thank you for your purchase. We truly appreciate your support. Use code for your next order. So this is a generic message and I can send it for all the payment pages, so I am not going to add the filter condition. If you wish, you can definitely do so. Now let's see how to send this message on WhatsApp. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for WhatsApp, and you're going to see multiple applications using which you can send automated WhatsApp messages. You can also use Wati, AI Sensei, WhatsApp Cloud API. I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, so I am just going to search for the same. If you also want to use Pabbly Chatflow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. So select it. For the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, you just have to open your Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After you add your your WhatsApp number, you can move on further. And if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, a video tutorial is attached right over here. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number. Then you have to go on the left hand of the side towards the settings and then towards API and webhooks. You're going to find the API token, so just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow, and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so let's just click on the select existing connection and then save, and our Pabbly Chatflow account is connected. Now it is asking for the recipient mobile number. Now for the WhatsApp number, you don't have to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do, put a slash and then search for the phone number and map it right over here so that this fields become dynamic. Now it is asking for the WhatsApp message, so I'm just going to copy the same WhatsApp message from my previous workflow. So let's just copy and paste it right over here. If you want, you can also add the name of the customer in this WhatsApp message so that each of your customer can receive a personalized WhatsApp message. You just have to put a slash, search for the name of the customer, and you can map it like this, and this will turn this message into a personalized one. It is asking for the name, so put a slash, search for the name and map the customer name. For the opt-in and opt-out, it totally depends upon you. Same goes for the tags. For the keys, if you don't want to enter any key, just switch on this button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, I'll just let you know that it is saying message sent successfully, but this is a dummy phone number, so I will not be able to show you the response. I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this, let's just click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to see it is saying message sent. So let's open our WhatsApp and we have received the message. Thank you for your purchase, new user, and over here is the code. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever someone is going to purchase a product from my Razorpay account, instantly this generic message will be sent towards them which has the coupon code for their further purchases. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.